In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and play Forza Horizon 5 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this great game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we will start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now head over to your Google browser and search for the Steam website, because we have to locate this game on Steam first before we can start proceeding to the next steps. Go to Steam, click on the website and then search for the game in the search bar, Forza Horizon 5. As you can see, this game is very expensive on the Steam website. It is €59 and 99 cents. So that is a very expensive game if you ask me. But I got a workaround. Now click on the link in the description of this video. You will be redirected to this website. Then search for the game Forza Horizon 5. And once you have done that, select games on the left side. Now what we will do next is sort by, then select price lowest first. And if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find this game for Steam for just €19 and 66 cents. That saves you up to €40, so that is a lot of money which you are saving. So if you buy this game on this website, you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps to follow to download this game on Steam. So yeah, you download the same game on Steam, but much cheaper. And that is how you install, download and play Forza Horizon 5 on your PC without overspending. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!